Alright guys, here we are with the 2015 Viper. As you can see, I've got most of the front end removed. And I want to show you the steering slop that's in this thing. So notice the weight's on the skis. Handlebars, I'm going to show you the handlebar and the ski tip. There's that amount of play, and of course the ski is not moving. All that play is actually coming down here on this pitman arm. So if I keep moving, you see the front of that pitman arm is moving, yet the tie rods at the back are not. That's where all my play is. That's where the bell crank goes down through its couple of bushings. I think I can get you a shot in here. You see that silver part right there that moves back and forth? That silver part is the top of those bell crank bushings. Try it from the other angle here, see if that works for you. There you go, the gold part. See through the hole, you got that gold part, and the gold part keeps moving. So I'm doing that same wiggle, and that's that whole bell crank moving back and forth in those bushings.